Today's video is all about productivity. I'm joined with Mark of Thame Workholding, and just take a look at the table. All these are productivity improving products. Mark, just talk us through some, please.
Thank you very much for inviting us up today, Joe. As we enter into our 75th year of supplying engineering goods to the engineering community, what we've got here is an array of product ranging from some less expensive products to some more expensive for bigger machine tools. This is one of our simpler items. It's a very useful fan that we can use for clearing swarf, chip and coolant away. It's also got through coolant, fits into a standard 20mm tool holder, but gives you the benefit of actually clearing product away and swarf before you enter into the machine. Something we need to be aware of, because the HSE are actually driving to ensure the working environment for engineers is a lot better. A good item.
Yeah, a good cost-effective way of making a start, isn't it, into productivity improvements? Yeah.
Okay. Second item we have here for people that are working on lathes. A very simple but very effective product that we've had for many years. Not everybody will have seen it. Something I think even you, Joe, would be able to demonstrate. What we have here is a quick change set of jaws that allows you to put a base jaw onto the bottom of your existing chuck, and you can change chuck jaws in and out. Mm-hmm. Can you demonstrate for us, please?
Thanks for the warning.
It's that simple.
Crikey.
Remains accurate, and it's actually got a lock system that holds it in place.
That is easy, to be fair.
Easy.
It's been a while since I've been on a lathe.
Again, another product that we've had in our portfolio or armoury for a while is the bar puller, the power ball bar puller. This item will actually allow you to put into your normal turret on a lathe without a bar feed, and can give you the opportunity of pulling bars over the range between 9 and 90mm. Clamps, drive it on, clamp, and you can pull it out to the desired length.
These are underused, aren't they, Mark? For sure.
Totally. A very cost-effective option there to allow you to actually continually machine if you haven't got the space for a bar feeder. Yeah,
I think they're good for bar ends. People with bar feeders, quite often they're going to have a bar end. If you've got another lathe elsewhere, these are great for this.
It's easy.
Or if you haven't got room for a bar feeder.
Yeah, absolutely. A really useful bit of kit. So don't forget this if you're looking for some form of productivity improvement.
Sure.
Something we're moving on to now is a bigger range. It's a new range that we're actually bringing out this year. Two items, quite simply. I'm sure a lot of people will know about 0 Point. We've actually extended our range. This is the daddy in the family, the multi-face. It allows you to offer 3 vices in a machine tool and gives you the option of actually running for a lot longer. What we've got here are 2 items. It may be the starting block for people starting out. We've got the multi-rise, which will actually allow you to hold in several positions. It has the added benefit of allowing you to actually move as a riser block, which gives you more machining availability.
Well, a very simple but great idea.
Simple. It's simple, but it may be just the tool you need to get you out of that difficult job for that one-off piece.
For sure.
Okay. Moving on from that, we have
not necessarily, a CNC machine. It's ideal for manual, isn't it?
If you can see an application where you need a rise in any way, vertical or horizontal, with a 0 Point plate, anybody's 0 Point plate that uses 9652, this is the ideal baby. We've got another simple system, again, which probably not been seen before, multi-rad. It allows you to rotate a vise. So what we can actually do here is offer up the component in any area. So if you haven't got a rotary table, you don't see the need for one, but you're actually looking for something where you need to do a specific job, you can do that. We actually offer, with this package, a digital inclinometer, and that's accurate to 0.1 degrees. So that'll actually give you a good starting point. So if you're looking for a one-off piece, you can deal with that.
So days gone by, you might have to make a fixture to get a compound angle.
Yeah, absolutely.
Whereas now, crikey,
this is it. Locks off, and it's there ready to use.
So in terms of setting up times, It's seconds, I guess. You've just got to drop that onto the base plate. And you're away.
Tighten, and it's done, and you can do it. And the beauty of that is, as I said, it gives you a full 90-degree swing, so it allows you to do compounds of that. And as I said, the last one in the range is the godfather of all of them. This is the one that gives you multi-voice positioning.
Clues in the name, isn't it?
Multi-face 3.
Well, what I like about this, quite often these solid grip HWR vices, that type of vice is seen as a 5-axis vice. You know, rightly so in some cases, but what I'm seeing here, literally anything, dare I say it, from a turret mill all the way through from a 3, 4, 5-axis machine.
Yes, you need to watch some of our other instructional videos. Solid line 0 point is the way to go, because that gives you the base to work up from this going forward.
Brilliant. I'm sold. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching at home.
Thank you.